This is an example of the older style Carmanah infrared programmer, which was based on a commercial consumer television remote control. You can see that when the batteries are installed properly, this red LED right here at the top right corner will light if any button is pressed. So if your LED is not lighting up with button presses, then there's a problem with your battery. Before the infrared programmer can be used to program the marine lanterns, it needs to be initialized, which is to set the programmer up so that it can speak the right infrared code to the marine lanterns. The way that we do this is as follows. We're going to press and hold the code search button until the red LED lights up. There it is. Then we're going to press the TV button once, and it will flash briefly. Then we're going to enter the code 006. 006. And the red LED will go out. At this point, the infrared programmer is ready for use on a Carmanah marine lantern. In this quick video, I'm going to show how to transition and program an M704-5 lantern. It's a two-step process. The first step we're going to do is convince the lantern that it is nighttime, and then we're going to convince the lantern that it is daytime. With those transitions from night to day, the lantern will, for 1 minute, turn on a special infrared receiver inside the circuit board here. During that time, we will be able to program it with an infrared programmer such as this one shown here. This is an older style infrared programmer. There's a newer one now as well too. I will be doing this demonstration with the older style one because that is the one that we are currently working with. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a large coat or a box and completely cover the lantern, so that as far as the lantern is concerned, it is nighttime. And now we're going to count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now the lantern considers it to be nighttime. So we will take the coat off, and now we're going to convince the lantern that it is now daytime. So we'll take a desk lamp like this. It needs to have an incandescent bulb. Fluorescent will not work, LEDs will not work. It needs to be the type of incandescent bulb that gets hot and is very bright. So we will turn that on, and we will point it at the circuit board inside the lens. That is where the photosensors are that detect the day transition, and we will hold that light up there now and count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now we will put the thing away. So at this point, the lantern will have transitioned from night to day, and it should now respond to the infrared programmer. If we point the programmer directly at the lens, and we press the on-off button, that's this one right here, the lantern responds with a flash. And it is now responding to the infrared programmer. First thing we do, if we want to program it, is we're going to press the on-off 753 to unlock it, 7, 5, 3, and the channel up button. When we press the channel up button, you will see it flash three times quickly. 1, 2, 3. That confirms that the programming was accepted. Now, for example, if we wanted to program it for a flash code, we will do code 064. This is done in the same way. On, off, press 064, 064, channel up, 3 quick flashes, and it will begin to flash in the flash code 064, which is 1/2 second on, 3.5 seconds off. The interesting thing to note here is that even though we're in a room that is lit by fluorescent light and people would work in here very comfortably, it is still dark enough that the lantern considers it to be nighttime, which is an important point to remember. When you're programming an M704, do not assume that your office light is bright enough that the lantern thinks it is daylight. Often it is not. And in this case, I'm proving it for you as well.